Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today's opportunities are especially exciting because we are looking at openings from Adani Group, Barclays, and two more companies. These are not normal training positions where you will spend times doing support work, where you will be building, developing software systems, work with cloud technologies, and contributing to real products used by businesses and customers. What makes this listening even better is that the variety, whether you are interested in backend development, Python development, banking tech, cloud systems, or front end development, there is something here for almost every software engineering aspirant. Let's start with the first opportunity, and this one is from Adani Group, and they are hiring for the role of Junior Backend Developer. This is a full time in office opportunity based in Ahmedabad, and it is open for freshers with BE or BTech background in CS, engineering, or IT. Now, when people hear Adani Group, they immediately think about infrastructure, energy, logistics, or any large scale business operations. But what many candidates don't realize is that organizations of this size require massive technology ecosystem. Every business process, customer interaction, and enterprise workflow depends on software systems. This role is focused on backend engineering, which means you will be responsible for the systems that power applications behind that user interface. The company is looking for candidates who can work with APIs, backend business logic, databases, and integrations. Your responsibilities will include designing and maintaining JSON APIs, working with .REST APIs, building backend business logic, creating API layers for mobile applications, improving application performance through caching mechanism, and participating in code reviews and testing activities. This is valuable experience because API development sits at the center of modern software engineering. Almost every application today relies on APIs for communication between services, application, database, and third-party platforms. The skills mentioned include C Sharp, .NET, Node.js, MVC architecture, SQL, NoSQL databases, SOAP API, JSON API, unit testing, and technical documentation. Now, don't panic if you don't know every single technology listed here. The important thing is understanding backend fundamentals, database, and software development concept. For freshers who want to build a career in backend development, this can be a very strong foundation because you will be working on systems where scalability and performance actually matter. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from Barclays, and they are hiring for the role of Avaloq Developer. This is a full-time opportunity located in Pune and is open to freshers with bachelor's or master's degree in CS, engineering or related fields. Now let's talk about why this role is interesting. Barclays is one of the world's leading financial institutions and working in banking technology exposes engineers to come of the most critical software systems in the industry. Bank process large volumes of transactions every single day, and the technology powering those systems needs to be secure and highly available. As a developer, you will contribute to software solutions used within banking environments. Your responsibilities will include application development, software delivery, collaborating with product managers and engineering teams, participating in code reviews, implementing unit testing, follow secure coding practices, and supporting mission critical banking systems. The technologies mentioned here include Oracle PL/SQL, Avaloq Script, Unix environments, Agile practices, SVN, application development, and secure coding. Now, even if you never heard of Avaloq before, don't immediately skip this opportunity. Many specialized enterprise technologies are learned after joining the company. The important thing is having strong programming fundamentals, database knowledge, and willingness to learn in specific domain systems. One thing I always tell freshers is that experience in banking technology can become extremely valuable over time. Another advantage here is exposure to large scale software development processes, security standards, testing frameworks, and enterprise engineering practices. So, even if you are interested in fintech and enterprise software development, this role deserves your attention. Now, let's move on to the third opportunity, and this one is from Techo Solutions. I think many Python developers watching this video are going to love it. Techo Solution is hiring associate Python engineers The role is open to freshers, available across pan India locations, and offered as a full time opportunity. Python continues to be one of the most in demand programming languages in the world. Whether you are interested in backend development, automation, cloud engineering, AI, or data engineering, Python plays a major role. This opportunity focuses heavily on backend systems, cloud technologies, and scalable application development. Your responsibilities include developing backend services, building API integrations, contributing to distributed systems, automating deployment pipelines, managing cloud deployments, implementing testing practices, and continuously improving existing systems. These are exactly the kind of responsibilities that help engineers grow rapidly because you are exposed to multiple areas of software development rather than a single narrow task. The skill requirement include Python, FastAPI, Microservices, CI/CD, AWS, GCP, Azure, and Azure. If you have been building Python projects, experimenting with APIs, and learning cloud concept, then this role aligns extremely well with your skills. Now let's move on to the final opportunity, and this one is from Iris Software, and they are hiring for the role of UI React engineer. This is a full-time opportunity based in Noida, and it is open to freshers interested in front-end development. Front-end engineering has evolved dramatically over the past few years. Today, companies expect developers to build fast, responsive, scalable, and user-friendly applications that work seamlessly across devices. That's exactly what this role focuses on. You will be working with React and TypeScript to build modern user interfaces while collaborating with distributed engineering teams. Your responsibilities include developing software applications, creating UI and UX, building responsive interfaces, writing tests, maintaining documentation, and working closely with other engineers throughout the development process. The primary skills mentioned are React, TypeScript, JavaScript, React hooks, Redux, HTML and CSS, UI UX, and React maps. Additionally, exposure to Node.js, SQL, and AWS services can be beneficial. Now, here's why I like this role is for freshers. Many candidates learn HTML and CSS with JavaScript but struggle to find opportunities where they can actually apply those skills professionally. This role provides direct exposure to one of the most widely used front-end frameworks in the industry, and because you will be collaborating with distributed teams, you will also gain valuable experience working in modern software development environments. So, yeah, guys, these were the four opportunities. If you are interested in backend development, then go for the first one. And if you are also interested in banking technology and fintech, then go for the second opportunity from Barclays. And if you are interested more into Python, then go for the third one. And if you're completely more into development, that is into front end, go for the fourth one. So make sure to check out the application link in the description box. And guys, if you want any opportunity update based on a particular domain, make sure to comment down and let me know so I can bring it in front of you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.